WinUnisoft Plus, the essential tool for CNC education. Vocational training is evolving, and with it, the tools that prepare future CNC experts. Introducing WinUnisoft Plus, the leading CNC programming and simulation software designed for the classroom and real world. Reliable, intuitive, and with more than 10,000 licenses sold worldwide, WinUnisoft Plus is the reference tool in CNC training. With a user-friendly interface and advanced functions, it facilitates the understanding of machining processes and improves student training. WinUnisoft Plus continues to evolve and now incorporates the Fagor 8065 control, expanding the training possibilities with one of the most advanced technologies in the sector. In addition, it has the most widely used controls in the industry: Fagor, Fanuc, Heidenhain, and Siemens, offering a total of 11 controls available between lathe and milling machine. WinUnisoft Plus is not only a simulation software, but a complete learning tool. With an extensive library of projects, programming manuals, and teaching resources, teachers can guide their students through the CNC domain more efficiently and effectively. If your training center does not yet have WinUnisoft Plus, request a trial license and discover all its advantages. New controls can also be included. Upgrade your licenses. Find out more at Alecop.com and revolutionize the CNC classroom.